Hello everyone. Welcome to our exciting journey into the fascinating world of birds. Today, we'll explore some incredible feathered friends. Let's spread our wings and soar into the world of birds. Let's start with the peacock. Peacocks are known for their stunning feathers, especially the male peacock with its vibrant tail feathers. They are native to India and are symbols of beauty and grace. Next up is the pigeon. Pigeons are found in cities and countryside around the world. They are gentle birds known for their cooing sounds and are often seen in parks and urban areas. Now, let's talk about the hen. Hens are domestic birds known for laying eggs. They are raised on farms and are important for producing eggs and meat for food. Moving on to the crow. Crows are intelligent birds with glossy black feathers. They are found in many parts of the world and are known for their adaptability and problem-solving skills. Here we have the parrot. Parrots are colorful birds known for their ability to mimic human speech. They come in bright colors like green, blue, and red and are popular as pets worldwide. Let's not forget the duck. Ducks are waterfowl with webbed feet that help them swim. They come in various species and are found on ponds, lakes, and rivers around the world. Next, we have the ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world. They are flightless and can run at incredible speeds. They are native to Africa and are known for their long necks and powerful legs. Here is the vulture. Vultures are scavenger birds that feed on carrion. They play an important role in ecosystems by cleaning up carcasses and preventing the spread of diseases. Now, let's talk about the owl. Owls are nocturnal birds of prey known for their large eyes and silent flight. They have excellent hearing and vision, which helps them hunt at night. Lastly, we have the eagle. Eagles are powerful birds of prey with strong beaks and talons. They are known for their keen eyesight and soaring flight. They are symbols of strength and freedom,